Do you want to be successful in life? Consistency is the key to success. But do you find it difficult to be consistent? Do you want to know how we can be consistent for a longer period of time, and that too very easily? If yes, then this video is just for you, because today I am going to talk about 3-step strategy which will help you to be consistent, whether you want to be consistent in studies or work or in any other self-development project. So stick around with me till the end. We will jump into the topic right away, but before that I need to remind you, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel, because I put out videos on health, happiness, career and communication, and also hit the bell icon so that you receive notification every single time I post a new video. I am Anindita and you are watching my channel Delight Redefined. The 3-step process we are going to talk about can be also called 3R formula. The first R stands for routine. Routine is very important if you want to be consistent for a longer period of time. Most of the time we start some task with lot of enthusiasm, but after some time our enthusiasm dwindles away and then it becomes very difficult to be consistent. And that is why routine is important. Routine means time, place and duration. You need to give your mind a clear instruction. When you have a routine, it's very easy to follow. So whether you want to be consistent in studies, whether you want to be consistent in your work, or you have some personal goals, for example, you want to reduce your weight, you want to have your desired weight, even in that case, you need to put in effort for a longer period of time, and only then you would be able to see the result. So that is why routine is important, because when you have a routine, you know you are supposed to do it at this particular time, at this particular place, and then it becomes easier for you to follow it and be consistent. Now the second R. Second R is reward, and it's quite interesting point. Now when we are working hard, when we are putting in effort to get a result, sometimes it takes a lot of time. For example, if you want to reduce your weight or you want to have a desired weight, you have to put in effort, you have to exercise, maybe for a couple of months, and only after that you would be able to get the result. But for getting the result, you need to wait, and that is the issue. We don't want to wait for the reward. It takes lot of time. Same happens with your study or with your work. Maybe you have to put in lot of effort for an entire year, and only after that you will get a promotion. Maybe you have to put in effort for 6 entire months, and only then you will get an A. So in all these cases, the reward seems to be far away. So that is why we need to create rewards, some kind of rewards, when we are putting in effort. We are living in the age of instant gratification, so we want result fast, we want the reward fast, but that doesn't happen. So we will create some pseudo rewards. For example, if you love to watch a web series and you need to study, what you can do, you can study for 4 hours and then take a break and watch one episode of your favorite web series. You can also combine the reward. For example, I don't like exercising that much, but I love to listen to music. So whenever I do exercise, I listen to my favorite songs. And that is how I am making the whole process fun. So that is important. I am getting some kind of reward right now, because I am not sure whether I am going to get that reward after a couple of months or not, but even right now when I am putting in effort, I am getting some kind of reward, and that is very important to be consistent. So think about all those things that you love to do and use them as reward. First you do what you need to do, and then you do what you love to do. This is how you would be able to be consistent on a regular basis for a longer period of time. The last R, the third R, is result. So you were putting in effort, and after 6 months you got your desired weight, your desired promotion, or the desired result. Now use this result to motivate yourself or inspire yourself to be consistent again, maybe for the same thing or some other thing. And now how you can do that? For example, you got some certificates, some medals. Always put those on your office desk or your study table, so that you remember your success. Because next time, whenever you won't feel like doing something, you won't feel like to be consistent, those medals, those certificates, or any kind of appreciation, that would help you to become consistent again. That is the secret of self-motivation, because that would be really important to be consistent. So this is how you would be able to consistent for a longer period of time. I hope you enjoyed the video. I would recommend you to read a book called Atomic Habit by James Clear. It's a wonderful book, and I have taken a number of strategies from this book only, and if you want to understand the process even in more details, I would recommend you to go through this book. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like this video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel, because I post videos on health, happiness, career and communication. You just have to click on the subscribe button below. Also, please hit the bell icon so that you receive notification every single time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you next time.